Yeah, I'm glad I didn't do that in the shoes that I had. I would have been sliding all over the place.
Excellent testing, excellent for honey. You can find into a map like a Pythagoras cave, probably from the shape up to the entrance, similar to a triangle.
Questo è il Zorodon.